fans are really celebrating you, especially the ones who who follow yung mga young adult, 'di ba, yung mga kanta mong lumalabas sa iba't ibang projects. How do you did you ever expect this blessings for this year?
Honestly, I didn't expect a concert, but then I'm really happy and grateful that for the first time in my life, I will have my first ever concert. Yeah.
Wait, sorry, pagtanong ko nga, talaga ba? First ever mo? What?
Yeah.
I felt like you were always performing. Hindi pa pala yun full-on concert mo.
Yeah. So, honestly, first time po talaga to kasi parang I've always just been involved in other people's concerts.
Got it.
So, yeah, and usually I do it with a group po kasi. So, first talaga to na headliner.
Oh my gosh. And what are your preparations for your September 6th show?
Right now, I'm actually talking with my band regarding the arreglos, and I'm very hands-on in terms of like the creative decisions, even from the stage design and like the marketing and the promo. So, yeah, ewan ko po, parang I really like being involved in it para align talaga lahat ng I guess ng creative stuff.
So pati ito na parang napaka-bright, it's giving summer spring tong look ng iyong concert. So ganun din ang set design.
Yes.
Why?
Because honestly, all the songs that I've written and released are songs that are written in the bedroom. And sa bedroom, dun ako nagfa-flourish most. That's why flowers are involved in the concept because flowers represent growth. And that's why it's also part of the poster and the stage design. Kasi when I'm in my bedroom, I write the songs and I grow because of it. And that's what my music kind of like tells the audience. It's about growth.
Oh wow! How long have you been in the industry at this point?
9 years.
9 years na rin.
I was 17 when I started.
Oh, and you have had hit songs. Were there any times that you were frustrated as well during those 9 years, and how did you overcome it?
Siguro, I wasn't frustrated with the things that I've been releasing, but I'm more frustrated with the alignment of everything. Parang very, like I said, very controlling ako when it comes to like releasing my own stuff. So pag hindi ko na-achieve yung gusto kong ilabas, doon na ako parang,
as an artist,
nainis ako, parang perfectionist. So doon ako medyo merong weakness when it comes to it. But then, at the end of the day, again, it's about growing. So, right now, I'm actually in the process of getting rid of perfectionism. And na-inspire ako because of the other artists as well, and female artists that I look up to na are just representing themselves just for who they are as of the moment. And that's fine.
So you think perfectionism is not the goal, or it's not, because it's not achievable, honestly?
Yeah, there's no one perfect, but I guess it's a way for you just to take advantage of like there's an advantage din naman kasi if you're hard on yourself, right? It makes you become better. Or parang nakakalipas ka dun sa mga past self mo, diba? And that's a part of growth as well. Pero I guess you're right that it's not the goal. The goal is just to grow and to become.
And speaking of growing, grabe, look at your special guest. It's growing. And you're in a family. Dati parang, di ba, pag sabi mo Viva Music, ikaw maiisip ko, di ba? But now you have Arthur Neri, Cup of Joe, the one. The list goes on. How do you feel about these growing pool of talents that matatawag mo mga kapatid?
Yeah, honestly, I'm just glad they said yes, and we're still friends, all of them. These are artists that I really look up to in terms of like songwriting. So I'm just glad na, they're always game to support. So
do you feed off each other's creativity?
Yes.
Parang how, kumbaga ngayon, we know that band of the moment ang Cup of Joe. Meron ka ba mga na pointers na nakuha sa kanila, sila sa'yo? Since, syempre, you guys collab, you guys, di ba, jam together?
Yeah, honestly, that's the beauty of like collaborating with other artists. Nakikita mo yung process nila in terms of songwriting. And like, you get parts of it na parang you apply in your process as well. Na parang, I see other artists flourish off of that process. So parang, why not try it for myself?
Wow.
And that's the beauty of it.
That's nice.
And yun nga, again, these are artists na I really listen
That's
to
nice.
as well. So parang ang daming nako-contribute sa
Wow.
kung anong meron ako nun.
What songs are you making right now? What are they about? And ano pang aabangan namin sa'yo?
Right now, I'm in the process of finishing my first album.
Wow!
Ever. So, that's in the works. So, yeah, yun lang muna. Surprise na yung iba.
Uy, pasample naman kami ng song mo.
Okay,
Oo.
sige. This one is called Hulaan. It's one of my favorites from the
Yes.
new EP. It's called Apat na Buwan, but then this is Hulaan. Okay. Hulaan lang kalaban-laban, di ka mailagan. Gusto mo lang ba ko sa tuwing ika'y nag-iisa?
Oh, wow! That's beautiful! Thank you so much, Janine. This is Charmy.
From Philippine Star.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
of course.
paano lang.
Thank you
Thank
po
you.
so much.
Papapicture lang ako pala.